just open the box and you came with these shit. This is the upper downpipe. I already got the lower downpipe. Say hi. So the lower downpipe, I have AMS 3-inch. This is 2.5. It should do just fine. And gaskets, the bolts, nut, and this is just a little quick unboxing of, as you can see right there. Looks nice welding. So, but yeah, wait for the installation. I'm gonna upload this separately. Installation will be separate video. So my advice for you, stay tuned. Oh, by the way, you might be wondering why I want to install upper downpipe, because I already have the lower downpipe. The lower downpipe, I got it for like good price. I got it for used. If you try, I drive Infiniti Q50 3.0, and if you're trying to do the same thing, like install, instead of installing full downpipe, I went with a different route, which is getting the lower downpipe and getting the upper downpipe. The lower downpipe cost me cheap than what it's on the AMS website on. And yeah, basically this way is like costing me a lot cheaper than comparing to getting a full downpipe. And I'm pretty sure the lower downpipe and getting the upper downpipe will do the same concept, like same job, you know what I mean? So that's the route I went with, like I said earlier. So please stay tuned. Give a like, I guess, comment, whatever the fuck you want to do. So yeah, thank you.